In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gmail email notifications on your desktop. If you often find yourself missing important emails because you're not notified immediately when they arrive, this guide is perfect for you. We're going to walk through each step to make sure you never miss an important message again. First, let's understand why enabling desktop notifications can be beneficial. Whether you're expecting crucial information for a work project or waiting on an invitation to a last-minute meeting, desktop notifications can keep you up to date without having to constantly check your inbox. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading straight to Gmail. Simply type mail.google.com into your web browser's address bar and hit enter. Log in using your credentials if you aren't logged in already. Once you're inside Gmail, glance over to the upper right corner where you'll find the gear icon. Click on this gear icon to open the Settings menu. A drop-down list will appear, and you'll want to select See All Settings from this list. Upon opening the Settings page, you'll notice a variety of tabs at the top. What we want here is the General tab, which should be open by default. Scroll down gently until you find the section labeled Desktop Notifications. It's in this area where you can control whether you want to receive notifications and, more specifically, what types of notifications you'd like to receive. You'll be presented with a few options. You can either enable notifications for all new emails, or you can choose to receive notifications only for important messages. If you receive a lot of daily emails, you might find it helpful to opt for only important emails. This way, you're only interrupted when something critical hits your inbox. Once you decide which notification setting works best for you, click the circle next to your choice. You'll want to make sure you click here to enable desktop notifications for Gmail if this appears on your screen. Doing so will allow Gmail to send notifications to your desktop. Now, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Changes button. This ensures that your new settings will take effect immediately. A quick tip: make sure your web browser settings also allow for notifications. This is important because notifications might be turned off at the browser level, which means you wouldn't receive them even if Gmail is set up correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled desktop notifications for Gmail. Now, when you receive a new email, you'll immediately get a notification on your desktop, keeping you informed and ready to respond. Thanks for tuning into this guide, and I hope you found this helpful in boosting your productivity and organization.